Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Self-assessment exercise 12.4. In the first reaction, CH3 CH2 into Cl, this is ethyl, 2 carbon. There are 2 carbon attached with the chlorine atom, so it is ethyl chloride, and ethyl chloride is reacting with nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen means that atomic hydrogen, it is not the molecular hydrogen. In the last self-assessment, we have done a reaction with molecular hydrogen, which is H2. It is nascent hydrogen, and nascent hydrogen, for the reaction of nascent hydrogen cannot be nascent hydrogen. If you want to react nascent hydrogen, then you have to prepare it at a run time, at the reaction time, because nascent hydrogen is not available. Nascent hydrogen is suddenly converted into molecular hydrogen, means that H reacted with another H to form the H2 molecule. So to get nascent hydrogen, you have to react Zn with HCl. When Zn is reacted with HCl, Zn react with Cl to form ZnCl2, and 2 hydrogen atom we get 2 nascent hydrogen, means that 2 nascent hydrogen will obtained when 1 Zn react with 2 HCl molecule. When 1 Zn react with 2 HCl molecule, then ZnCl2 will form and 2 nascent hydrogen will be produced, and these 2 nascent hydrogen will react with ethyl chloride or any alkyl chloride. So this is a reaction of reduction of alkyl halide. This reaction is called reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction means that to react with reaction with nascent hydrogen, and reaction of alkyl halide means that alkyl is R and halide is X, means that R is reacted RX will react with nascent hydrogen, and it is a reaction for the formation of alkane. It is a reaction for the formation of alkane. So in this reaction, CH3 CH2, it is ethyl and Cl. Ethyl chloride will react with 2 nascent hydrogen atoms in the presence of ZnHCl. ZnHCl forming nascent hydrogen. So in this reaction, Cl will replace by hydrogen atom. It is the substitution reaction, means that substitute Cl will replace by 1 hydrogen atom, means that Cl will remove from this carbon, and in the replacement of Cl, HCl will attach with this carbon atom. So CH3, it is CH2. When H will come in the replacement of Cl, then it means that this bond will attach with H. So we can write it is CH2 and H, we can write this combine as CH3, means that Cl is replaced by hydrogen atom. So there are 2 nascent hydrogen, one goes to this carbon, the second hydrogen will react with the removed Cl and form HCl. So it is a formation of alkane, so the member ethane is produced by the reduction of alkyl halide. So this is the first reaction, which is reduction of alkyl halide, and it is a formation of alkane when ethyl, it is ethyl chloride reacted with 2 nascent hydrogen atom, and chlorine atom is replaced by hydrogen atom forming ethane, and chlorine is react with second hydrogen atom forming HCl. In the second reaction is also reduction of ethyl chloride, reduction of alkyl halide, and it is CH3 CH CH3 Cl, 2 nascent hydrogen, Zn H2SO4. Zn can also react with HCl or also react with H2SO4, any acid. It is also acid HCl and it is also H2SO4. Zn when react with H2SO4 also produce nascent hydrogen. That nascent hydrogen will react with alkyl halide. So whenever you want to do reduction or to react with nascent hydrogen, you have to first prepare nascent hydrogen by reacting Zn with HCl or with H2SO4, either with HCl or either with H2SO4. So nascent hydrogen will produced by reacting Zn with H2SO4, and that nascent hydrogen will react with alkyl halide. This is alkyl halide, and the name of this compound is 2-chloropropane. Chlorine is attached to the second carbon, so it is 2-chloropropane. Propane because there are 3 carbon atoms. So when 2-chloropropane will react with nascent hydrogen, the chlorine atom is replaced by one of the nascent hydrogen atom. Means that this chlorine atom is replaced by H. H will come at this place. So it means that H will attach to this carbon. So we can write this carbon having one hydrogen and another hydrogen. So we can write it as CH2, like CH3, CH2, then CH3. So it is now propane. The removed HCl will react with second hydrogen atom to form HCl molecule. So this is these are the two reactions. Both are the reduction of alkyl halide, and this reaction is present in our book of in the preparations of the alkanes. It is a second reaction for the preparation of the alkanes. These reactions are the preparation of the alkane. In the first reaction, ethane is prepared. In the second reaction, propane is prepared. This is self-assessment exercise 12.4. Inshallah, in the next video, we will start the next self-assessment exercise. Assalamu alaikum.